This is the home at 4402 Canary Court in Lithia Springs. This home has a 2-car carport. This is the carport door that leads to the kitchen. This is the front porch, front yard. This is the living room, dining room combination. It has a coat closet. This leads to the kitchen. The kitchen has a refrigerator, dishwasher, electric stove and microwave. This is the other door to the carport, and this is the laundry room. The patio doors lead out to a deck and shaded backyard. This is the eating kitchen. And it has built-in shelves. There's a linen closet in the hallway. This is the first bedroom. This is one of the guest bedrooms. It's a good size room. Across the hallway is the full bathroom. This one has a tub shower combination. This is the other guest bedroom. And then this is the master bedroom. This bedroom has a ceiling fan. These rooms only have standard closets, but the master bedroom does have a full bathroom with a shower, stand-up shower, but no tub.